In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a home button on your iPhone 8 Plus screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can add a virtual home button to your iPhone 8 Plus using a feature called Assistive Touch. This is especially useful if your physical home button is experiencing issues or if you would like the convenience of an extra virtual home button. So to enable this, all that you have to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside of the Settings application, scroll down until you find the Accessibility category. In there, one of the options is going to be Touch. So tap on Touch, and then you will find Assistive Touch. You can turn on the switch next to this option, and now Assistive Touch is going to be enabled. Once enabled, a small circular button will appear on your screen. This is the Assistive Touch button. You can tap on it to access various functions, including the home button equivalent. You can customize the Assistive Touch menu to include specific actions. And note that while the Assistive Touch provides a functional replacement for the physical home button, it might not offer the same tactile feedback or speed as the original button. But regardless, you can use this feature, it's always going to be available. You can reposition the Assistive Touch button, and if this starts bothering you, you can turn it off easily by untoggling the switch there. There are more options to explore, such as your notifications. You can go over to your device's settings, control center, features, and everything is going to be available on this menu. So all that you have to do is tap on the Assistive Touch icon, open it up, move it around, and it's always going to be available on most iPhone models, including your iPhone 8 Plus. So add the virtual home button, and of course consider getting a home button replacement if yours is broken. I hope I was able to help you on how to add home button on your iPhone 8 Plus screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.